Island Sound. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Manasota Key to 19 nautical miles southwest of Gasparilla Island, moving west at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Don Pedro Island, Manasota Key, and Englewood. Tide forecast.